Studying was a disaster for me, so dropping out after 2 weeks in accounting was the best decision I have made. I think not even 2 weeks, 1 week already I ran away. So fast forward today, here I am happily helping more people to discover their budding passion and interest in baking. Hello, I'm May. I'm the founder of Joyous Bake and Joy and Tears. I've been a flower piping instructor for 6 years, and this is what I like to do. Since young, I like to cook with my grandma. What she cook is really nice lah, so make me like food, like to cook. When I was 19, I was a home baker. We're doing like cakes, like small pastries. People around me will think that is really can make money or not. When people against you, you just have to keep going. When you keep going, it's really worth it. Then I found that it's too boring to keep staying at home. So after that, I will take a few classes, different cake decorating classes, and I found that flower piping is quite nice for me. I like the color combination, piping, arrangement. I don't have any sense of art, but when you work it out, when you do more, just step by step you can get it. So I always believe that hard work beats talent lah. One day I post my work in Facebook, and then a studio come to ask whether you got teach the flower piping, and then I didn't know, but I can try. So I get 1 student, 2 students, and then a lot in one class like. So I was teaching since then. So you have to be brave lah. Just step out your comfort zone. Yeah. I like sharing. I'm happy when students get to do their flower from layers to layers. They get their layering and then get a nice rose. I'm more excited when they are doing well lah. During pandemic, all my classes is stopped, so we have to find another way to survive. Yeah, every day you have to think of how I'm going to earn money. Yeah. And then from now I have a team, you have to think, okay, how I'm going to make my team bigger, and then how to improve everything. So you are a baker, but you are doing marketing, admin, customer service, so everything you have to learn from zero. I don't like to stay in my comfort zone, so when there's challenge, I will just step by step and get it done. Even it's very difficult, you just step a little step, yeah. To satisfy my customer, I like to mix and match every ingredients, flavor. So I start doing cake in box with different flavor. The texture of Pandanmisu will be like the old school of pandan layer cake and the tiramisu combined together. So it's not too hard and more moist. Every single cake I have made, I will share it with my family. Ask them whether is it approved. If approved, then I launch. If doesn't approve, then I don't launch, or get more information with others people, so don't just stay alone. Yeah. It's not the end when there's still chance. Yeah, doesn't matter there's struggling, there's sadness, happy, so there's a progress in every business. So just continue and enjoy the progress. If sometime you were lost, just get up and think about the beginning, where I start this path, look back and 把你的初心找回来。Thank you my weekend plans and chat hub for having me today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that my little story will inspire you in some ways. So see you guys soon. Bye bye.